A local author has recently published a book that aims to free people from the shame and stigma of mental illness. The book, titled A Mind Restored, is a debut memoir from our guest who lives with bipolar disorder type 1. Welcome to the mix, Kimberly Powers.
Thank you so much for having me.
Oh, I'm so glad that you are here. So I'm assuming having bipolar disorder type 1, I'm assuming that was the motivation, really, for writing this book. Is that accurate?
Yes, it is. I was diagnosed with bipolar disorder type 1 severe with psychotic features when I was just a sophomore in high school.
Oh my.
And so you can imagine the shame and embarrassment and humiliation I felt just having a psychotic episode. And so I kept my illness buried, hidden in a dark, lonely place for over 2 decades.
Oh my.
And so finally I found the freedom in writing my story, sharing it publicly for the first time to help others with mental illness know they're not alone and they are not defined by their illness, that they too can rise above, conquer their problems with courage, with hope, and pursue their God-given calling in education, career, relationship, and ministry goals.
Well, you know, I'm assuming writing the book was a cathartic experience, really, living through some of the things that you did go through over those 2 decades. What has helped you effectively manage those symptoms?
Yes. By the grace of God, my illness has been in remission for about 13 years. And I have had to every day take ownership of my self-care, of my healing, taking medication every day, going to my psychiatrist once every 3 months. And watching out for my red flags, my yellow flags, the warning signs of my illness. I involve people in my accountability and my treatment team, knowing what is it that's going to be triggering for me, and just taking care of myself every day. And in my book, I talk more about holistic health, physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, relational, financial, environmental, just all these areas that can tie into living your best life.
It sounds like you're a very pragmatic, I know we've just met, but you sound like quite the pragmatic person. I'm assuming there's a lot of good hands-on put into practice information here.
Yes, and it's very important to learn how to effectively manage those symptoms of your illness so that you're not staying stuck, you're not stuck in defeat and hopelessness. You know, God wants you to He calls us to live that abundant life, whether you have mental illness or not.
And so you've been quite successful. This has really shaped your life.
It really has. And, you know, counseling is not only my passion, it's my career and calling, which I was led to the field of counseling. I'm a licensed professional counselor. I have a private practice in Kalamazoo, Michigan. And I love what I do, and I just want to help people like I have been helped.
Well, your positivity just exudes from your soul.
Thank you.
I cannot encourage you enough. If this is something that you or someone you know is going through, this book really could give them a leg up, a hand, the feeling that they're not alone, which is really a big deal in that space. Kimberly, is it Muka?
Muka. Yes.
Kimberly Muka Powers, that website right there at the bottom of your screen right there. You might want to check that out. Of course, you can find this book on Amazon. You can go to Barnes & Noble. Follow her on social medias if you want more information. Kim, thank you so much for the time and for writing this book.
Thank you so much for having me.
Absolutely. Our pleasure. We'll be right back.